Hi, I think there is a way to fluctuate the voltage instead of output with a LED. We output with a speaker, which I'll be using the speaker which is the 8 ohm speaker here. So I was based on this book which is Make Electronic by Charles Platt again. This book has a lot of electronic stuff. You can check out my video which I make about book review for the Charles Platt video. Make Electronic by Charles Platt. I do make a book review for this video, and at this part here I will making, which is the mounting a speaker for the part here, for the breadboard here. Basically I just add up another fluctuation for this part, for have a speaker for the breadboard here. It's the same configuration for the last time, same as the LED light. So we just put it here and we see how it goes. And basically what here is it does is you got speaker. And yet here is the what I want to demo about the fluctuation voltage, and attached with it is a 8 ohm speaker here. As I'm on here, as I on, I think I kinda hear the speaker got some delay, then it continue to oscillate, delay, continue to oscillate, some kind of frequency it emitting here for the speaker. Oscillation between the two transistors here, which involve for the speaker to having like a brief period, stop period and on period, stop period and on period, like that. It's basically what is the voltage fluctuation does. Okay, there is a way to improve this, is we can up the speed. Up the speed is way up to the way to up the speed for the speaker to have fast frequency or fast oscillating for the voltage fluctuation is the 3.3 microfarad caps, and we substitute with a 0.33 microfarad capacitor. Then this should charge faster. So by this is right now we got here, which is 3.3 microfarad for two discs, and we substitute with a 0.33 microfarad caps, so the speaker should be charged faster and will have fast frequency for the speaker there. We can add up a 100 microfarad coupling capacitor and 1K resistor as well, as the resistor was ground to the emitter there. This part, which is the resistor, ground to the emitter, to the transistor, as the capacitor blocks the DC component, which is caps here is to block the DC component of the signal, as it allows AC current to flow through for the speaker here. Basically what does is the electrolytic capacitor here is to block the DC component of signal and make it for the AC current through, to make it alternating current, which is AC, through the speaker here. And there's another way is we can raise the pitch, as you can substitute a smaller resistor or capacitor for the oscillating circuit by simply replacing these two resistors with a smaller value. When you replace these caps and the resistor with smaller value, it can raise the pitch for the speaker here, such as let's say right now we got a 470k resistor here, we substitute with a 220k resistor, and this will produce the speaker with high pitch volume here. Alright, and based in the book they say also that there is a way they can put a cone here, which is the diaphragm. This way to design and make it to radiate sound here. So you can add a cone or kind of diaphragm here to add the output from the front to make it sound from here. And this there is a way you can fluctuate the voltage instead of output LED, and this is for the speaker as well. Okay guys, this is a kind of upgrade from my last video, which is about voltage fluctuation, which is just output with an LED. Instead of output with LED, make it into speaker. And that's about it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I'll make more kind of this video in the future content as well. Okay, bye.